I do believe that by now your Stallion host account has been approved. If we haven't ordered hosting yet, please check in the comments. I will put a link for you to order the most affordable hosting, which I recommend, for you also to get a very favorable discount. So without further ado, let me show you how to install your new WordPress. So what we're going to do here is we're going to install a new WordPress and start to develop a WordPress website from scratch. So what we are going to do, we are going to look for some for an application called Software Killers app installer, this one. Then we are going to click on it. After we click on it, we are going to go on this WordPress manager icon. Then after that, we are going to click on install. Then after that, we are going to install. Unfortunately, I have an issue. Let me try to fix that issue. Let me fix that issue very fast. It's an issue. I know on your side it won't happen. Let me just fix that issue very fast. I will fast forward this this part so that, because this account is I installed a new database, so it only allows 2 databases. So I previously installed a new WordPress, so I have to delete that database so that it can allow me back again. So don't be dismayed. Please like, comment, and share. And also, if you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. So let me go to PHP My Admin. I just want to locate the database, correct database, which is new here. Okay, fortunately, the issue I'm fearing is not here, because there is only new one database here, one installed. Okay, so let's go on to Software Killers. As I have said, I'll pretty much maybe delete this part if necessary. Okay, so we come here, we go to install new. So what you have to make sure when installing a new WordPress, we've already purchased a domain. It's called VIP Motors, so I want to do a subdomain. But anyway, in your case, what you have to mind when installing a new WordPress, you have to take off this WP and leave this section blank. Leave it blank so that you don't face any problems. But in my case, I won't leave it blank because I want to install a subdomain. Okay, so this is gonna be a furniture removals website, so I have put a subdomain there, but for you, don't put a subdomain. I'm gonna put a password, which I'm going to hide so that you don't see my password. But anyway, I'll still go need to change it. So here might I as well write the company name VIP Motors Furniture Removals. Okay, so affordable. So here we are putting a tagline. This is so good for SEO. So affordable furniture removals, Cape Town. Okay, so the email admin, I'm going to say removals here, because but I'll advise you to just leave it as admin for yourself, and we will then create that admin email, which is good for WordPress in case it crashes or something happens to it, you need the admin email from WordPress. Okay, let's install our WordPress. There we go. Boom. Welcome to beauty. So don't tweet this. There is a popular thing going around the right line that hackers will target you if you tweet this. They are always ready on Twitter to see who tweets. Then they hack the website. When it's still new, it's still vulnerable, so they always try to hack. So when logging into WordPress after it's new, you can even easily log in through that link. It's still possible to log in. The other way to log in is to use this human login icon. You can still log in perfectly well. The other way is to use the WP admin login. You come here in front of your full website address. You type in function WP admin. Unfortunately, I'm logged in, but in your case, if you are not logged in, it will give you the login prompt where you have to punch in your username and your password. So we are good to go. So the first thing what we're going to do here is, we are done with this. Let's just create your admin email. Let me show you. You come to emails here. So you can see in this account it's already created. So I'll create a new one called removals. Then I'll generate a password and generate again. Okay. Then create. You are good to go on your emails. You can create as much as allowed emails here, but this admin email is very important. Don't leave it. Okay, so the first thing what we're going to do, we need this to be blank. So we are going to delete this yellow world. This is the post which comes delete it automatically. We want to leave everything blank. So this one is very important. Might save us time. The private bodies page, because it's now a key requirement in terms of SEO. So we need it, we benefit from it. This page, we trash it. We come to trash, we delete permanently, we empty everything. We come to plugins, we delete every plugin. It's blank now. To posts, we've done. Pages, we've done. Now we have a clean installation. So the other trick is to come and delete all the themes, but anyway, it's still okay. So what we are going to do, we want to install a theme, because if you come to our website here, you can see that it's very ugly and not the type of website you want. So want to beautify it and build everything from scratch. We want to build everything from scratch. So what we're going to do is, we're going to need to start our thing. So the first thing is, we need a theme. So I will show you what's a theme. A theme is a pre-made template of a website, or gives you a direction on how to construct your website beginning from there. But what happens with a theme is it goes hand in hand with small things which are called plugins. And in most cases, if there is a conflict, it might lead to your website crashing. So you have to be very careful when choosing your themes. Choose a theme that goes hand in hand with the plugins which you want to use. And if you search here, say you are a barber, let me do removals. You'll see that, or let's say add new. Then you come here, you say removals. You can easily get a pre-made theme for your specific industry in most cases. You see, those are specific themes for specific industries, but in most cases it will be hard. So I recommend you follow what I do, my steps, so that you are good to go. I hope what you want to make is a simple website as I want to make. So without wasting much of your time, let's go and install a theme which I like. And in this tutorial, we are going to use a plugin called a page builder called Elementor, which is an easy drag and drop page builder to make everything smooth and straightforward. So we are going to install a theme also called Hello Elementor, which works hand in hand with the page builder which we want to use. But you might also, Ocean WP works very well also with Elementor. Even 2017 up to 2023, these ones, they work well also with Elementor. So, but I specifically favor that one. This yellow with Elementor. It's free and very easy to use. So what we're going to do to speed our website, we are going to delete all the other unnecessary pre-installed themes. So we are going to come to File Manager in our cPanel public.html. So what we want to do is, in your case, to delete the themes, you come to WP content here. But in my case, obviously, it's a subdomain. I'll come to my folder, which is removals, then WP content, but this process is still the same. So I come to themes here. I delete all the other unnecessary themes. I delete them. I go to trash. I delete them. This helps to speed up my website so that it's not slow. If I install unnecessary stuff and leave them, they will slow my website. Let's go and check and see how our website looks like this time. It's still basic and ugly. Okay, let's go and make it beautiful. Now it's a time to do something called plugins. So plugins are the enablers that enable you to put different functionalities on your website. So I will search for the plugins which I use most of the time. So the first one is Envato Elements. Envato. If you want maybe to purchase a specific theme, Envato Market is a best place to go to. I'll place a link in the comments section, so that with the best themes which I recommend, so that you can go on and check on Envato Market, so that you can maybe purchase your own. They are pre-made. You only have to do minimum customizations. So, but I use their plugin. It's very handy. It's very good. Also, it's free. It is a free version, but it comes with, if you decide to go pro, you can still benefit from this. So I have obviously put a link in the comments section below. Okay, let's go. We're going to install. While this is installing, Elementor is expect. Okay, Elementor. So I use Elementor Pro. For me, I use Elementor Pro, which is if one purchase Elementor Pro, when I receive the payment of the discount again, just check the link in the comment section. I will put all the links necessary. So I'm already defined, so I'll just go into the one. You can also purchase your, it will help you very much to make your website. So I'll also do essential add-ons, and let's see. These are the other ones I think you might have necessary. The other plugin which I will use. Anyway, all to slowly. So I come to these, I check them all, activate them, click apply. This one, let's go. I think the other plugin which I forgot is WP. Look, WP forms. WP forms. WP forms. This will help. So it's so especially for leads making it will come very much handy. Let's go. Okay, now it's good. I'm going to I started it. So I believe that. So the element of go yet. So I will let me quickly show my element of go. Okay, element of go. So element of go. Element of go allows you to, especially in terms of traders, so it's like a new. So let's activate the plugin. Elementor Pro on our website. Good to go. If you need your own Elementor Pro, please don't hesitate to visit the link in the description. If you want to purchase web hosting, you can also do this. www.digmarkhub.co.za/Elementor Pro /Elementor Pro. You can purchase your Elementor Pro via that link. By the time I finish this tutorial, it won't be a broken link, so it will help you very much. So if you want to purchase your web hosting, easy and straightforward, you go to www. That's the other way, apart from the link in the description, digmarkhub.co.za/web hosting. Yeah, that's the link. Then you can then purchase your hosting for easily there and get a very favorable discount. Same applies to Elementor Pro. Okay, without wasting much of your time, now we are creating a header. What's a header? A header is the top section of a website. Let me show you an inspiration website. So the inspiration I'm going to be using today is this website. You'll see, I'm going to use this website. This is inspiration. This is going. So in most cases, you need an inspiration website so that you build something which is in your test. So the header is this one. You want to build that part of the website. So it's going to be exciting. I hope I'm going to finish this tutorial. It's code, yeah. Anyway, for your sake. So we go to templates, theme builder, then header. This can only work for you if you have Elementor Pro. If you don't have Elementor Pro, I'm so afraid it's going to be difficult to create your header. It's going to be very difficult, but I will try to show you a way to create your header without Elementor Pro. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's create this. Okay, that prompt is saying what? Let's keep continuing. Take this one off. When we continue, as if nothing happened. We go to invert your elements. We go to free blocks. Go to header. We choose the best header we want. So once you choose a header which even on mobile, it will still come out nicely. So we are going to take this one as the header of choice, and we want to see how it's going to look on mobile. There we go. Let's see how it looks like. But we will make it beautiful. We'll see. Okay, so in order to get a full glimpse of how this menu will look like, let's publish. Let's add a condition, include entire site. Yes. So this means this data will apply on the entire website. So far so good, it looks that way. So we want to create our menu. So we'll come to appearance, menus, create main menu. Create a menu here. So currently we're just going to do a placeholder menu. It contain home, about, service, contact. That's a website for you. There we go. Then you save our menu. Come here, you refresh this part so that you can be able to see that menu where it's making. Okay. So that pattern we want to label it get a code. Okay, let's just say get code. Okay, so there we go. And we want to purify that button. first thing, obviously, we want to make it which color. Colors are red. Colors are red. So let's make this inside the red. Take a color. Red. Green. So we are making red. It's color. But that's very beautiful. I want to feel it. Just make it very beautiful. There we go. Okay, we want to adjust its size. Let's cut through the waves. Yes. There we go. I want to make our waves hold stand out so that a customer can easily click. So let's see our red here. Let's just make it. It's okay. Wait. So let's center this. Yes, there we go. Our name is coming out. So I don't like that yellow and the white. So let's make something that blue. Color. Yes, it's liquor. On the border, let's keep it white. Something beautiful slowly is coming out. So there we go. We have a beautiful code button. So here we want to have our logo. So I will show you the easiest way to create your logo. Now, you don't have a logo, but if you want a professionally done logo, I can still do it for you. Just visit our website. There's a graphics design code. Okay, let's do this. We use a website called Poster My Wall. There we have Poster My Wall. Come here. We want a furniture removals logo. Furniture removals logo. So those are the things. So I will go that one. I'm probably going to post that one. Let's check here. Okay, this one stands out. We want something very simple. So let's go and 10 button. Okay. So I'm going to remove all the other people here. Then only this icon. So one we use the threads. So web two. I'm going to definitely make my colors are red, so I will definitely going to redo this Photoshop part for you. This one. Remove this. So save that single effective. It's okay. Yeah, remove us. There we go. We have the beautiful logo. So download our logo. There's a PNG. So download it. Let's try it. In most cases, if you going through it, read through it, and photocopy it, it's very weird. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply copies through WordPress copy. I'm going to go to customize, like definitely, correct. So in this case, I can close it. I can try to copy for SEO. Make sure you include the image out tags that are very important for SEO. Okay, so we'll do profit. So we'll just point to the logo profile. Project. Yeah, publishing. You see, it's already showing the logo, but what I wanted is that functionality of copy. So now, if I come to the media library, I know we have a project. Let's see. This is the original page. This is the open page. This is the open page. See, yeah, very good tools. Now it's the only problem now we have is the color problem. The color problem. Those are problems. So let me try to put a white background. See how it looks. And so to put a background, you come style advanced. Color white. It's preview. There we have our website, but I still don't like the way the logo looks. I'm definitely going to change this to white, so I can make it like this here. The menu. So I'll go into the menu. Smaller. This part. There we have our menu, our top menu. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we remove all the other necessary stuff, going down. So we come here to the menu, okay, over, it's color, let's fix the okay. See if we just text is black. The pointer, we don't need a pointer. So the best way to remove it is to the transparent color. So, okay. So, oh, this one is very wow. So I would prefer to hide this pattern again so that it doesn't show. This works much better. So to hide, you come to responsive, mobile, say hide. No more weird buttons on our website in terms of the mobile. So that one is still looking weird again. It's called the toggle button. So we're going to make it red. Since red is our theme color on mine, not on yours. I don't know on yours theme colors. We're going to give it a red. Let's put away. We're going to give it a red. Yes. There we go. And the over, we're going to make it black so that it matches that right. Okay, it's still okay. This one, we're going to make it blue. There we go. So this one is still looking white. Yes, that makes some sense. The drop down menu. Yes, we're going to make the text on the drop down. The text is going to be red. Over is going to be black. No, text should be black. And background should be red. So, black background should be red. And so, the normal text should be what? Like, yes, this way, beautiful. So you can see that the website is shaping up and it's looking pretty on our mobile. So we go to the tablet. We have to optimize for each and every device. On the tablet, we don't want a toggle. We want to give it a condition. So we are going to say only break on mobile alone, which means it's going to only show a toggle on mobile. Okay. On the code button, we have to style it so that it looks perfect. So we're going to use something like this. Yes. Then these waves are 2, 3. Okay. Nice. Yes. By this time, my friend, I think there is a good reason to like and to subscribe, because I'm gonna do a lot of WordPress tutorials and also share a lot other things like plugins and stuff. So I do believe that you can't lose anything by subscribing. You will benefit the more. Click that bell icon. I'm gonna share a lot of information about WordPress. And I'm your guy. If you need any WordPress help, you can still DM me. I'll be happy to help you. So please give me a thumbs up. I'm working very hard to make sure that you have your own website. So let's go forward. We have done the menu part. We are ready to go. Congratulations, my friend. You are on your journey of creating your first own website. So the journey is very exciting. So now let's see how our site looks. Our site looks cool. It's a bit weird, but we're going to shape it up to look the way we want. So there we go. Now we are going to do something called a footer. This one, this part that I was make it very smooth and really. So it's one of those things. If you don't have Elementor Pro, again, it's going to be very difficult for you. So if you want to get a very good discount, please don't hesitate to visit that link. I will greatly help you to have a very favorable discount. Okay. So now what we're going to do is templates. Theme builder. I'm so afraid today we might only end up on this tutorial to make it so that I don't make it too long. We might end the tutorial. We will definitely end it on creating the footer. Then the next tutorial I'm going to do completing the rest of the pages. So it's going to be fun. Please subscribe so that you don't lose the next video. But I'm gonna do it very fast so that you don't. Okay, so we are adding our footer now. So we come here to invert to free blocks footer. So we need a footer somewhere. So set footer. So I always like to change this font to go to put our logo. I always like to make it a list. This navigation makes easy navigation for customers, so it's always advisable to put it on. So just make my text smaller. It's in the book where I put in line. Okay. Good. Okay, let's do the picture. basic social media. Apply for the entire site. Then go WordPress, so that it's about yes. Make it a bit smaller. So how does it look on a mobile? By this time, we have our own footer. We have a footer. Let's see how it looks. And it looks cool. Okay, so we have an address, our contact details, so by this time we are ready to cruise. We have our footer. I will style it later then to put in our contact details. So I do believe I have done my best here. Let's check it. There we go. I'm still going about the weird, but we're going to be very good. I promise you. It's going to not exactly, but as cool as that one. So we're going to work very hard. See you on the next chapter.